Hello, I am Ashutosh Chirk and I am recording today's second video for some interesting news. Let's start with the Yes Bank. Today, the stock of Yes Bank crashed around 30%, and the reason what they said is loss of nearly 1500 crore rupee quarterly loss, Q4 loss, which is sufficient big. The reason when I analyzed this, I realized that this is what they call divergence. That is what RBI is assuming your NPA supposed to be. Another is what you are saying. The reason this is happening is, in a simple word, I am telling you, adventurous finance. What is it? Assume some group company or the company is in distress. They want money. You realize that there is a risk, but you realize that there is a possibility to earn little more money. You structured a deal in which you make your payment little bit attractive, little bit sweet, little bit earning more than relatively other structures. Like some distress companies, you may give them bridge loan, or you may finance an M&A deal for IBC company, a company which is nearly bankrupt, but they are holding some good asset, like cement company. Recently, the Binani cement. Yes Bank was there. Yes Bank was holding some loans taken some another issues, and that is what going wrong for them. There are many issues, but in a simple way, what went wrong for a Yes Bank is wrong structures. Now many analysts are saying that no, there are many good things. This bank is good. This is a private sector bank. Don't call it public sector bank. Please accept. What is banking? Lending the money, giving the money. If your money is not coming back, that is NPA. No matter what is intention. Even if say I took loan from a bank, but I can't repay that bank, but I went to bank and tell, oh my god, I am having intention to repay, but I don't have money. I don't have money, so I can't pay. That is done. That is what is happening. But on some cases, I realize and I still remember that when there is no one bank, there are many banks. Yes Bank is not a very big bank when you compare it with Bank of Baroda, SBI. So their amount of EMI is relatively lower. So sometimes some people decided that let's pay to Yes Bank. So for Yes Bank, you are not an NPA, but when you see as a total liability of that company, you are not paying completely, so that makes you an NPA. What RBI assumes, say company X is having a debt of 1000 crore, out of which that 1000 crore you are liable to pay 50 crore to Yes Bank. On that 50 crore, assume 1000 or something else, very minimal amount is EMI built up, and you supposed to pay that 1 lakh rupee or 500 crore or something small amount. This group may decided to pay that small amount to Yes Bank, but they can't pay the whole amount to other some banks. Makes them NPA. But Yes Bank can say, hello, they are good for us. We are not calling them NPA. That is something you can say divergence, and that makes RBI furious, and our own respected RBI governor, the warrior, you can say Urjit Patel, went on to fight, and he went ahead, took fight, and came up with a February 2018 circular one day. And what happened, we all know. Today's second big news is Mr. Nusli Wadia is accepted. Court decided that yes, he is the person who was going and keeping narcotics, and so he's supposed to be in jail for 2 years. But hello, Nusli Wadia is in India. So his group is saying no, no, this is a suspended result. We will talk, we will do. And I was going through all this results and what Twitter is saying, what Facebook is saying, what are comments. I realize that many peoples are accepting that when it is a 2 year jail, and we don't know whether it is a suspended or not, but when this is under narcotics and drugs related to, we supposed to accept that he supposed to respect court, no matter which court it is, whether it is Honorable Supreme Court in India, Honorable Supreme Court or highest court in Japan, or anywhere. We supposed to accept and respect the court wherever it is, and I can't understand what is happening. Maybe let's see, this is also very interesting because his one company Britannia is right now part of Nifty. Next news which I received, because I am receiving some notifications about Vijay Mallya and I was reading it all about. Mr. Vijay Mallya is very much interested to repay his 100% loan, but looks like Indian banks are not interested to accept it. I don't know why. I was not going through all this deal, and I think I saw this news on Bloomberg Quint. Let's see, that maybe his last try, last ditch to not going to jail. Let's see, because this is not a very small amount. If he is in fact ready to pay 9,000 crore or some similar amount, then I can't see any problem in it. Accept it. Banks already has some big issues, even collecting SR Steel 42,000 crore and all. If a party is itself coming to you that sir, please accept our amount and please leave us, but I don't want to comment it. That is all my view. I respect what courts are saying, and I completely respect courts in England also. I don't know what they are saying, what they are doing, and what papers are in front of them. Let's see. The third or next news is three companies, I think two or three companies in Reliance Group, ADAG Group, are now defunct nearly, or they don't have any cash as per rating agencies to repay. Both of them are subsidiaries of Reliance Capital. Reliance ADAG Group, two companies, Reliance Defense, Reliance Naval, you can say, and RCOM, are penny stock. Reliance Infra is a very much close to become penny stock. We can ignore it safely, but there are some valuable assets. Reliance Communication, sorry, Reliance Capital is having some valuable companies. You can say Reliance Money, Reliance Mutual Fund, Reliance Home Finance, Reliance Commercial Finance, so many. Now the question is, what Mr. Ambani will do. His one company is under IBC, Reliance Communication. He tried everything to sell this company or reduce the debt. He tried merger, he tried selling his assets to his brother Mukesh Ambani and so many other things. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. I don't know what will happen hereafter. But anyways, all this happened in today or last 1 or 2 days, and all these things are very much interesting, and so I decided to make second video for today. Thank you for today.